Welcome to my channel. I am Professor Kodan Ramaya. Usually I talk about science and technology for abroad education. And in this video I would like to talk about Modi's government scholarship scheme to help 4 crore SC students in 5 years. Many students would not pay scholarship on time or use the fund for some other purposes, resulting in increasing dropouts from SC students due to lack of scholarship. The Modi government aims to provide post-matric scholarship to over 4 crore students belonging to the scheduled caste category over the next 5 years, raising the number from existing 60 lakh beneficiaries. Senior BJP leader and social justice and empowerment minister Tawar Chand Gehlot said on Tuesday. He also told reporters the government's recent decision to raise the center share in the scholarship amount to 60% and hike it progressively to 80% will result in a total expenditure of over 59,048 crores of rupees by 2025-26 and ensure minority assistance to the unprivileged students in time. The center had spent only around 1,100 crore rupees annually in the last 2 years under an earlier formula, now changed by the Modi government, which had led to a rise in the state share, with almost half of the 36 states and union territories not getting any contribution from the union dispensation, he told reporters. Many states would not pay scholarship on time or use the fund for some other purposes, resulting in creating dropouts from SC students due to lack of scholarship, he said, adding this will change now. Money will be now directly transferred to the student's bank account and the center will contribute only after the state has done so, he said. This is a historic decision. It will boost educational standards. No state has opposed our announcement, Gehlot, a Dalit face of the ruling party, said. The percentage of students benefiting from the post-matric scholarship has risen to 23 from 17 in 2014-15, and the government is working to augment the number of beneficiaries to 27%, he said. Addressing the press conference, BJP General Secretary Dushyant Kumar Gautam hit out at the previous Congress-led UPA government at the center, saying over 50 lakh fake beneficiaries were getting scholarships at the cost of Dalit students. He alleged a scam in the Congress-ruled Punjab, citing lack of documents regarding the list of scholarship beneficiaries in the state. Hailing the Modi government, he said, it has worked to build memorials in honor of Dalit icon Bhimrao Ambedkar, who he alleged never got due recognition from the earlier Congress regimes. The Union Cabinet had last week approved changes in the centrally sponsored post-matric scholarship scheme to benefit more than 4 crore scheduled caste students in the next 5 years and approved a total investment of rupees over 59,000 crore for the purpose. This decision, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said, will ensure greater educational access to youngsters belonging to SC communities, ensuring top quality and affordable education to our youth is an important focus area for our government, he had said in a tweet. If you find this video useful, please click like, share and click the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel. I will give you more videos on scholarships, jobs, and the latest technologies for abroad education. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.